20 months after catastrophic flooding devastated Waverly, the community continues rebuilding. Volunteers gathered today, including First Lady Maria Lee. This says Miranda Whittington was there, and Miranda, the First Lady, was eager to help following her good news of cancer being in remission.
Overcoming hardship is something Diane Williams knows all about.
When I was actually able to get back, then I came in and realized that, my garage was gone, my 6 feet of water had been in the house. And
Williams was one of many in Waverly impacted by the 2021 flood.
It was very hard to see, and realizing that, everything has to go out in the trash.
But there's someone else who also knows about overcoming hardship.
Now that has come a long way.
Tennessee First Lady Maria Lee.
Just excited to be here today to let people know they're seen, they're not forgotten.
For the last several months, the First Lady has been battling cancer.
Last Monday I got a clean bill of health saying that the cancer, there was no evidence of cancer, and that I'm officially in remission.
So she decided to return to Waverly to help the Appalachia Service Project rebuild homes for residents. Oh. While there, she and Governor Bill Lee had the opportunity to chat with Williams and other neighbors nearby.
They were very concerned about how things were, and positive about how things are going.
So far, 25 homes have been built for families impacted over the last 2 years. The goal, 45, which Appalachia Service Project hopes to meet by the end of this year.
To see that homes are going up, lives are being restored, it's encouraging.
Encouraging not just for the First Lady,
how long you lived here,
but also for Williams, who knows her community will get back to what it used to be.
It's taken a long time, but like they all say, it's going to take time.
Now, the First Lady worked with volunteers on interior projects, painting, installing flood venting, and laying new grass seed and straw this morning. Haley?